In a sun-drenched field, 3 bullocks lived in perfect harmony. Their bond was an unbreakable shield, a silent promise of mutual protection. Together, they were invincible, and the predator remained hungry in the shadows, but the lion was cunning. He whispered insidious lies to the black bullock. Slowly, the trio began to unravel. Shared meals became solitary affairs. The once unbreakable bond finally snapped, leaving each bullock alone. The lion sensed his moment. He struck the brown bullock first, chasing the isolated animal into the deep, dark woods. A single roar echoed. Next, he turned his golden eyes toward the white bullock. Without his brothers, the creature stood no chance. He was driven into the wilderness. One by one, the strength of the herd had been traded for vulnerability. The predator's plan was working perfectly. Now, the last bullock stands alone. Divided, they fall.